super late today. Almost. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neel, and today I'm going to be talking about my motovlogging setup which I'm going to do. So I actually watched a couple of videos online, and there is one motovlogger, Oggy F. You might have already heard about him. So I saw his setup of the motovlogging and I actually quite liked it, and I'm going to implement the same. So before you go and say that hey, you copied Oggy's motovlogging setup, I'm going to call it right out that I'm going to use this same approach and method which he used in his video, and I'm going to put it on my helmet as well. So for that you need this M-Seal, Araldite 3M adhesive bonding tape, a masking tape, a nail filer, scissors, pencil, scale, obviously your GoPro, the J mount, and your screw basically. So I'm going to be using the curved mount which I got in the accessories box, and I'm going to put it over here, and there are a lot of gaps which I'm going to be filling using the M-Seal, and it will allow me for a very sturdy mount. Okay. So, newspaper. So I think first of all you should roughen the surface of this mount. I'm going to use this nail filer which I have, and just roughen the surface of this mount so that there's enough friction or a good surface for the M-Seal to hold onto the mount. So yeah. So I've kind of scribbled all over this mount, making it a little bit rough, which will allow the M-Seal to hold onto, and now I'm going to use the M-Seal to put onto the curved mount. Apply the masking tape over the area where I'm going to place my mount. So just make sure that the masking tape is applied onto the surface where you're gonna mount your clip. We can now go ahead, place the clip onto the surface of the helmet. Now if you see, the bottom part I've kept a little thick on purpose, because when I wear the helmet it is gonna go a little like this, and my GoPro, it's gonna point downwards, which I don't want. So in order to make the GoPro look a little up, to have an upper field of view, I have placed a little extra M-Seal towards the bottom. Well, so I've completed putting on the clip or the mount onto my helmet, and I've tried to fill in all of these gaps, and although it's not a very clean job which I've done, but I think it looks pretty good, and I'm just gonna leave this overnight. We can come back once this is fixed properly. So if you can see, this is pretty much stuck on to the helmet, and there are not a lot of gaps. Yeah, I hope it is visible for you and very clear. And now what I'm gonna do is take off the masking tape and remove this mount. Apply Araldite over the M-Seal. Use this 3M adhesive bonding tape to put on over the mount, and I'm gonna paste it, and that is gonna be my motovlogging setup. So let me quickly start removing this masking tape. Ooh, it finally came off, and my helmet, it still looks pretty clean. So there's no mark of M-Seal or a remnant of M-Seal on my helmet. So I'm just gonna remove this masking tape of my mount or my mounting clip, just get it off as much as possible. And now if you can see, it has taken the shape of my helmet mold. See this part? So there was a groove in my helmet and the mount has taken the shape accordingly. Rather, the M seal has taken the shape accordingly. Now I'm going to apply Araldite on this. One is the resin tube, other is the hardener. Use equal amounts of both. Mix it well. I'm going to use the end of my pencil to mix this. And now I'm going to just apply this onto my mount evenly so that the M seal does not wear off over time due to weariness, due to excessive usage or weather, multiple possible scenarios. So I've applied the Araldite on my mount and I'm just gonna let it dry for a while. Well, I'm gonna use my hairdryer to quicken up the process. I'm gonna use it in the cold mode to quickly dry this up. This still hasn't dried up. I think I'm gonna let it take its natural course and actually come back after 1 hour or something like that. So the mount has a very glossy look after the Araldite has dried up, and now I'm gonna apply the 3M tape using this 3M 94 primer onto my mount. So I'm just gonna pour some of the primer. Now the 3M tape. Make sure you press hard the tape onto the mount so that there are no chances of it coming off later on. And you can just trim the excessive corners. So this is how the mount looks after applying the tape on it, and now I'm gonna peel off this tape and I'm gonna stick it onto the chin of the helmet. Now I'm gonna align this properly straight onto the chin of my mount and I'm gonna paste it. This looks good. Now I'm just gonna press it hard so that it sticks and it never comes off. Let's just apply some masking tape and keep it on for like overnight so that it stays intact and there's no chance of it coming it off. Now it is looking like Bane's mask. So I'm gonna leave this overnight and tomorrow I'm gonna see you with the first motovlogging attempt. Well, I hope you liked the GoPro setup and the test video. And if you have any feedback, do let me know in the comment section below. And the only thing that is now missing is the audio from the ride, so I'm gonna buy the GoPro audio adapter, which will allow me to connect the mic to the GoPro and record all the audio. So I think that will be it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Neel Gangje. Subscribe.